energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow? What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mankranso from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mankranso covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a Jadandani, the planet of Dutch, 45 city, intimate dying. No sweet say ever born Dutch. 5 years this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Come with this year.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Ow.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Akoto. I know you are there. Come on, Akoto.
Hello, Alpha. Yeah, the landlady is here today too. She's harassing me this morning. Yes, come and see how I'm sweating.
Well, if I catch you,
Yes, the number I sent you the last time. Yes, use the Jupe app. It will come right now.
Hey, bra. Ah, so when you come mommy, give me my money. Me, Jim Sika.
We didn't know. When you Jupe is here, yes, Canada Bay. Jupe is the best money transfer app that is used to send money directly from the US to Ghana free of charge. They have the best rates in the market and they are very competitive. And no thing is Kano Abrosono.
Jim Sika.
You're welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School, Mankranso Senior High School, and Nkwatia Presby Senior High School. Let's welcome them. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School is represented by
Isel Prince
and
Raphael Manti.
Aburi Presby is here at the 1/8 stage as a seeded school. Aburi Presby, how has the journey been for you this year?
Okay, so our journey has been really good, and we are hoping that by the grace of God, we are going to retain our seat and move on to the next stage.
I wish you the best. Mankranso Senior High School is represented by
Abubila Herbert Adelwin
and
Champon Kojo Amankwa.
Tell us, Mankranso, how has your journey also been?
Our journey has not been so that easy, but God being so good, we were able to pass through, and we are coming to do our best.
I wish you the best. Nkwatia Presby Senior High School is represented by
Asamonya Akukweku Kelvin
and
Usher Felix.
How has your journey been?
The journey has not been easy though, but we pray that God will see us through to the next stage.
He will surely see you through. I wish you the best. So contestants, you are welcome. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Go PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Jupe Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Better Malt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Galmac Foundation. My name is Dr. Gladys Naudi Shringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. We have 5 rounds of competition. Each round has its rules, but apart from the 3rd round, where you are going to solve the problem of the day, You are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations and 10 seconds for those not involving calculations. You have just one attempt at answering. Should I ask you to repeat your answer at any time? Just repeat it. Don't change it. A change will nullify whatever you have said earlier. In round 1, each school will get a question to be answered correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you get it wrong, or you don't answer and the bell goes out on you, another school may then ring their bell to answer correctly for a bonus point, or lose a point when they are wrong. Please don't ring the bell for a bonus when the school is expected or supposed to be answering, and not before I tell them they are wrong. I won't call you if you do that. So we'll be starting our contest with round 1, and I'll start with Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School. I wish all schools the best for the round. Preamble to all schools. Give the formula of the products formed when the given compounds react in aqueous medium. Identify any precipitate formed. Give the formula of the products formed when the given compounds react in aqueous medium. Identify any precipitate formed. Aburi Presby. Sodium sulfide and zinc nitrate. Go ahead, Raphael.
We have the products to be NaNO3 and ZNS, and there will be no precipitate.
2 out of 3. Mankranso, potassium carbonate and barium nitrate. Kwedio?
The product form are KNO3 and BaCO3, and the precipitate form is BaCO3.
Correct. Nkwatia Presby, lithium iodide and lead-2 nitrate.
The product formed is LiNO3 and PbI2, and the precipitate form is PbI2.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Find the resistance in a series RLC circuit of the given moduli of impedance Z and reactance X. Find the resistance in a series RLC circuit of the given moduli of impedance Z and reactance X. Aburi Presby, Z equals 39 ohms and X equals 36 ohms. Go ahead, Raphael.
15 ohms.
That's correct, but I need you to speak into the mic. Bring it down a bit.
15 ohms.
It's on.
15 ohms.
That is correct. Mankranso, Z equals 60 ohms and X equals 36 ohms. Yes, could you?
48 ohms.
Correct. Nkwatia Presby, Z is 26 ohms and X equals 10.0 ohms.
ohms.
Correct. Aburi Presby, name the unspecialized type of plant tissue that can divide and differentiate into other types of plant tissues. Yes.
Meristematic tissue.
No. Mankranso.
Parenchyma tissue.
Correct. Mankranso. What is the result of meiosis in angiosperms? Yes, Herbert.
Fruit and seeds.
No, please. Nkwatia, which process is most directly affected when a tree is girded by completely removing a ring of bark?
Translocation.
Correct. So, Mankranso, meiosis results in the production of haploid megaspores and microspores. Preamble to all schools. Evaluate sign 2A, given that A is an obtuse angle, and evaluate sign 2A, given that A is an obtuse angle, and Aburi Presby, cos A equals -1/√2. Yes, Raphael.
-1.
Correct. Mankranso, cos A equals -3/5. Yes, Herbert.
-24/25.
Correct. Nkwatia Presby, cos A equals -5/13.
Okay, so we have a fraction with numerator -120 and denominator 169.
Correct. We have 30 seconds for this set. Preamble to all schools. But it's a common one. When I get to you, give me your answer. I'm reading it just once, so listen well. Give the systematic name of one isomer of the compound with molecular formula C4H6Br2, given that it is a cycloalkane with a methyl substituent. Go ahead, Aburi, give me yours.
1,1-dibromo 2-methyl cyclopropane.
Correct. Mankranso, yours.
We have 1,2-dibromo 2-methyl cyclopropane.
Incorrect. Nkwatia.
We have 2,2-dibromo 1-methyl cyclopropane.
Incorrect. So we have 1,2-dibromo 1-methyl cyclopropane and 1,2-dibromo 3-methyl cyclopropane. Preamble to all schools. Two identical balls, each of mass m, are separated center to center by a distance d. Find the magnitude of the gravitational force between the balls, given that two identical balls, each of mass m, are separated center to center by a distance d. Find the magnitude of the gravitational force between the balls, given that Aburi Presby, m equals 2.5 kilograms and d equals 2.0 meters.
We have 1.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 12 Newton.
Incorrect. Nkwatia Presby.
1.0 by 10 to an exponent of negative 10 Newton.
Correct. Mankranso, m equals 3.0 kilograms and d equals 0.50 meter. Yes, Herbert.
2.4 by 10 to an exponent of negative 9 Newton.
Correct. Nkwatia Presby, m equals 7.0 kilograms and d equals 0.35 meter.
Okay, so we have 2.7 by 10 to an exponent of negative 8 Newton.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Indicate the part of the body of organisms to which the following prefix refers. Indicate the part of the body of organisms to which the following prefixes refer. Aburi Presby. Gastro. Yes, Raphael.
The stomach.
Correct. Mankranso Cephalo. Yes, Herbert.
The brain.
No. Aburi.
The head.
Correct. Nkwatia Arthro.
Archery.
No. Joints. Preamble to all schools. A particle is projected along a straight line with initial velocity u. A particle is projected along a straight line with initial velocity u. Find the value of the constants a and b if the velocity v at t, so the velocity v into bracket t at time t seconds is given by, so vt. Find the value of the constants a and b if the velocity v of t at time ts, t seconds, is given by Aburi Presby. V of t equals the expression at squared plus 10t plus b in meters per second. U equals 20 meters per second. And v equals 60 meters per second at time t, 2 seconds. Prince.
We have A to be equal to 10 and B to be equal to negative 20.
Incorrect. Mankranso, V of t equals the expression 2t squared plus at plus b meters per second. U equals 24 meters per second. And v equals 54 meters per second at time t equals 3 seconds. Herbert.
A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10.
Incorrect. Nkwatia.
A is equal to -2 and B is equal to 42.
Incorrect. Nkwatia Presby. V of t is equal to the expression at squared plus 5t plus b meters per second. U equals 25 meters per second. And V equals 75 meters per second at t equals 5 seconds. Yes.
Okay.
Felix.
A is equal to 0.2 and B is equal to 45.
Incorrect. Aburi Presby, your answer should have been A equals 5, B equals 20. Mankranso, A equals 4, B is 24. Nkwatia, A is 1, B is 25. That's the end of the first round. There is a challenge from Aburi Presby concerning the first answer they gave for biology, named the unspecialized type of plant tissue. Yes, meristematic tissues can divide and differentiate into other types of plant tissues. But what type of plant tissues are meristematic tissues? They are parenchyma tissues. That's the type of tissue that is there. The type of cells that make up the meristem are parenchyma cells. That's why I didn't give to you. Thank you. So at the end of round 1, Mankranso Senior High School had 13 points. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School and Nkwatia Presby Senior High School each had 15 points. It's time for our second round. And this is the Prudential Life Speed Race. Each question comes to all schools, and you may take turns in answering. So if you are the first school to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they are wrong, third school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. When you are ready with your answer, ring the bell at any time. Ring the bell. And when you are called on to give your answer, you have 3 seconds to start giving your answer. If you don't, a bell will go out on you, and you lose a point for that. You starting to say, and we have, and this is what we have found of that, won't cut for you starting your answer. Just go straight to the point and give the answer you need to give. I wish you the best for this round. The speed race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. We start. Calculate the mass of ammonia produced when 3.50 grams of nitrogen reacts with excess hydrogen. Aburi Presby.
We have 2.75 grams.
Incorrect. 4.25 grams. A straight chain diol has molar mass 146 grams per mole and contains 8 carbon atoms. Determine the number of hydrogen atoms present in the alcohol. Aburi Presby.
18 hydrogen atoms.
18 is correct. What volume of water must be added to 42 cubic centimeters of a 0.60 mole per cubic decimeter HCl solution to dilute it to a concentration of 0.20 mole per decimeter cube? Mankranso.
We have 84 centimeters cube.
Correct. A 2-kilogram object on a rough horizontal surface is pushed from rest to a speed of 3 meters per second over a distance of 2 meters by a constant 5 Newton force acting in the direction of the object's motion. Find the magnitude of the friction force. Yes, Mankranso.
18.
You've been bailed out. Friction force on the object. .5 Newton. If Young's modulus for a polymer blend is 1.6 gigapascal, what stress in a 15 centimeter long polymer rod results in a 0.30 millimeter elongation? Aburi Presby.
5.2 megapascal.
Incorrect. The bell went before you rang. It's 3.2 megapascal. Find the horizontal range of a projectile launched from level ground at 45 degrees above the horizontal with speed 10 meters. Yes, Mankranso.
5 meters.
Incorrect. Aburi Presby.
10 meters.
Correct. State the term that describes insects that feed on blood. Aburi?
We have herbivores.
No. Hematophagous or phagous insect. Hematophagous or hematophagous insect. What name is given to hyphae with continuous cytoplasm throughout the entire structure, allowing for... Yes, Aburi Presby.
Non-septate hyphae.
No. Allowing for easy movement of nutrients and organelles, and the nuclei are not separated by cross walls. Sinusitic hyphae. Name the enzyme that catalyzes the phosphorylation of glucose to form glucose 6. Yes, Aburi.
Hexokinase.
Correct. Last set. If f of x equals x squared minus 2 and g of x equals 2x plus 1, evaluate f of g of 2. Aburi Presby.
23.
Come again.
23.
Correct. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x squared minus 7x plus 5 equals 0, evaluate alpha squared beta. Yes, Mankranso.
35.
Correct. Find the solution set of the inequality, the expression x plus 3, multiplying the expression x minus 2, multiplying the expression, yes, Mankranso.
X is such that negative 3 less than x less than negative 1, or x is greater than 2.
Incorrect. Multiplying x minus 5 is less than 0. Aburi Presby.
X is such that x is less than negative 3 or 2 less than x less than 5.
Incorrect. Nkwatia.
X is such that negative 3 is less than x less than 2, or x is greater than 5.
Incorrect. Find the solution set. So it's the set of x such that x is greater than negative 3 or 2 less than x less than 5. That's the end of the second round. There's a challenge from, you didn't name the school, so I can't tell which school it is. Which school was it? Aburi. Okay, Aburi, your students never gave me a set. They did not give me a set. This is what they gave me. X such that X is less than -3 or 2 less than X less than 5. They did not give me a set. The question asked for a solution set. So the set has to come. The consultant has confirmed it. I knew you'd come, so I asked. Thank you. Each table is going to get a sheet of paper. You are not to touch that sheet of paper till I ask you to. Yes, I will. So at the end of the Prudential Life Speed Race, Nkwatia Presby Senior High School had 14 points. Mankranso Senior High School had 16 points. And Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School had 21 points. Contestants, this is round 3. In this round, we are going to solve the problem of the day. It's a common question to all of you, and you solve on the screens provided. You have 4 minutes to solve the problem of the day. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. After the 4 minutes, I would assess your solutions and then award the appropriate points. After which I would read out the suggested solution from our consultant. Now may you all stand. Kindly lift the sheets now and turn them over. Lift the sheets and turn them over. We read, a function f of x is defined by f of x equals the expression x minus 3 over the expression x squared plus 2x minus 3. A, find constants a and b such that f of x equals a over the expression x plus 3 plus b over the expression x minus 1. B, find the domain of the function f of x. C, solve the equation f of x equals 1. D, evaluate as the limit approaches x minus x, as the limit of f of x as the limit moves from x to 2. So limit from x to 2 of f of x. This is the problem of the day. You have 4 minutes starting now. All the best. writing. on the screens. I have assessed them, and this is what was suggested by our consultant. So they've been given a function f of x, and they are to find the constants a and b such that f of x is equal to a over x. So for the a part, that's the a part, x minus 3 over x plus 3, so x minus 3 multiplying, no, x minus 3 over the expression x plus 3 multiplying x minus 1 equals a over x plus 3 plus b multiplying x minus 1. You get 1 point for that. Then x minus 3 will give you a multiplying x minus 1 plus b multiplying x plus 3. Another point for that. So for x equals 1, negative 2 equals 4b. So b is equal to negative 1 over 2. 1 mark. So if you are able to get to this point, I'll give you the 3 points. I'll give you the 3 points for that. Then for x equals -3, for x equals -3, -6 equals -4a. So a is equal to 3/2. Another mark for that. So you get 4 for the a. Aburi got 3 for that part. And Nkwatia got the 3 for that part. Then the b part, x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals the expression x plus 3 multiplying the expression x minus 1 is not equal to 0. So the domain is equal to the set of x such that x is a real number and x is not equal to 1 or -3. You get 2 points for that. Nkwatia Presby gave me, without telling me, gave me the set of x such that x is not equal to 1 or -3. They left out the fact that x is a real number, so I gave them 1 out of 2. So there are 2 points for that. Then the c part, f of x equals 1. So x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equal to x minus 3. X squared plus x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or -1. Nkwatia got x equals 0. They didn't get the -1, so they got 1 for that. Then the d, evaluate the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x. That's the limit as x approaches 2 of the expression is a fraction, so x minus 3 over the expression x squared plus 2x minus 3, which is equal to 2 minus 3 over 4 plus 4 minus 3, which gives you -1 over 5. You get 2 points for that. So, at the end of the problem of the day, Mankranso Senior High School had 2 points for the problem of the day. Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School had 3 points for the problem of the day. And Nkwatia Presby Senior High School had 7 points for the problem of the day. Before we move on, Mankranso Senior High School would like to make a change. So, Adabo Francis Menu is coming in for a champon kwejo amankwa. So thank you for being with us, Kwejo. You are welcome, Francis. Please change to your school logos. You have an issue. Let me come take a look at it. So Mankranso had given me the domain. They gave me X, the set of X, such that X is a real number, and except X is equal to 1 or -3, which is the same. So they get 2 more points for that. So we continue round 4. In round 4, each school will get a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, you earn 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. If you decide not to answer, and the bell goes out on you, another school may answer correctly for 2 points when they ring their bell, or lose a point when they are wrong. This is the Jupe true or false round. And for this round, the alumni of the competing schools can send money to Ghana through Jupe money transfer. And for every transaction, if they use the promo code that I'm going to give for each school, so they'll use the promo code for the respective school, Jupe money transfer would give the school $20 for developmental projects. So for this contest, Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School, your special promo code is Aburi Presec, all in capital letters, no space. ABURIPRESEC. For Mankranso, yours is Mansec, MANSEC, all in capital letters. Then for Nkwatia Presby, yours is Nkwasco, NKWASCO, all in capital letters. Good. So, alumni of Aburi Presby, Mankranso, and Nkwatia Presby, there's the opportunity for you to earn your school some money by just sending money to Ghana to friends and family through Jupe money transfer. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by Jupe money transfer. Meet a need, send via Jupe. So we start our 4th round with Aburi Presby. Lithium and manganese are commonly extracted from their ores using electrolysis.
True.
Incorrect. Mankranso. Smelting involves heating an ore in the presence of a reducing agent to extract a metal. Yes.
True.
That is correct. Nkwatia Presby. Copper is commonly extracted by smelting using carbon monoxide.
False.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. In any electric circuit, the algebraic sum of the currents flowing into any given node. In any electric circuit, the algebraic sum of the currents flowing into any given node, Aburi Presby, equals the current supplied by the electric power source.
False.
Correct. Mankranso, equals the net current supplied by the electric power source. Go ahead, Francis.
It's false.
Correct. Nkwatia Presby, equals 0.
True.
Correct. Aburi Presby, Plants that reproduce sexually are more genetically stable than those that reproduce asexually.
False.
Repeat.
False.
That's correct. Mankranso. Plants that reproduce asexually have greater genetic diversity than those that reproduce sexually. Yes, Francis.
It's false.
Correct. Nkwatia Presby. Plants that reproduce sexually reach maturity faster than those who reproduce asexually.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. If cos x equals negative half, then if cos x equals negative 1/2, then Aburi Presby. Sin x equals √3/2.
False.
Correct. Mankranso. Sin x equals negative √3/2. Francis.
It's false.
Correct. Nkwatia Presby. Sin x equals plus or minus √3/2.
True.
Correct. Aburi Presby. Crude oil is separated into different fractions based on boiling points.
True.
Correct. Mankranso. Gasoline is a lighter fraction of crude oil and boils at a lower temperature than diesel. Francis?
It's true.
Correct. Nkwatia Presby. Lubricating oils and waxes are collected from the top of the fractional distillation column.
True.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. The potential energy of a particle moving along the x-axis is given by cx², where c is a constant. The potential energy of a particle moving along the x-axis is given by cx², where c is a constant. Aburi Presby. An SI unit for c is Newton per meter.
False.
Incorrect. Mankranso. The net force on the particle is 0 at x equals 0. Go ahead, Francis.
It's false.
Incorrect. Nkwatia Presby. The total energy of the particle is 0 at x equals 0.
We are false.
Correct. Aburi Presby. Adults have more bones than infants.
True.
Incorrect. Mankranso. Yellow marrow only exists in adult bones but not in infant bones. Go ahead, Francis.
It's false.
Incorrect. Some of the bone marrow in adults remain as red bone marrow in order to produce red blood cells.
False.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. In the binomial expansion of the expression to the power n, 1 plus x, the expansion is finite if In the binomial expansion of the expression to the power n, 1 plus x, the expansion is finite if Aburi Presby. So the expression, the binomial expansion of the expression 1 plus x to the power n. So note that. Aburi Presby, n is a rational number.
False.
Correct. Mankranso, n is a natural number. Yes, Francis.
It's false.
Incorrect. Nkwatia Presby, n is an integer.
True.
Incorrect. That's the end of the 4th round. So at the end of the Jupe true or false round, Nkwatia Presby Senior High School had 25 points. Mankranso Senior High School had 27 points. And the Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School had 31 points. Last run. This is round 5. Final round. And in this round, we have 4 riddles to solve. Each riddle comes to all schools. You may take turns in solving the riddle. If you take a turn and you are not successful, you sit out of competition for that riddle. You come back when there's another after that. I'm going to give you clues to help you solve the riddle. If you're able to solve on clue 1, 5 points for you. Clue 2, 4 points for you. From the third to the last clue, 3 points for you. As soon as you're ready with your solution, press the bell. I'll call you. And for this round, we have the Go Riddle Bonanza. The Go Riddle Bonanza would reward a school that is able to solve either 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. If you are able to solve 3 riddles correctly, you earn 1,200 Ghana cedis for your team. If you solve all 4 riddles correctly, you earn 1,600 Ghana cedis for your team. I wish you the best. We start. I am a compound found practically everywhere on Earth. I am hard and transparent. I'm a component in filtration systems for water treatment. I'm used in the production of glass. I'm found in various forms, including quartz, sand, and silica. Who am I? Mankranso.
We have sulfur dioxide.
Incorrect. Aburi.
We have silicate.
Silicate. Incorrect. Nkwatia Presby.
Sulfur 4 oxide.
Incorrect. I'm used in production of glass. I'm silicon dioxide. I'm a named law in physics. I was discovered by a British scientist before my announcement by a French scientist whose name I bear. Cavendish demonstrated experimentally that I am an inverse square law. I'm a law encountered in electromagnetism. Aburi Presby.
Coulomb's law.
Correct. We are plants. We are plants from prehistoric times that have survived almost unchanged for millions of years. We grow in moist, rich soils in all parts of the world except Australasia. Some of our species produce two kinds of shoots, those with cone-like clusters called strobili of spore capsules, and those lacking such structures. Our hollow-jointed ridged stems contain silicate and other minerals. We are the only living genus of plants in the order Equisetalis and the class Equisitopsida. Our name is synonymous with the tail of animals that are used for leisure activities, sports, and working purposes. Who are we? Aburi Presby.
Mosses.
Incorrect. Mankranso.
Bryophytes.
Incorrect. Yes, Nkwatia.
Liverwort.
No. We are, please. We are hostels. Yes, hostels are plants. I'm an array of numbers. I'm not a sequence. I'm made up of rows and columns. Mankranso?
Matrix.
Matrix is correct. That's the end of the contest. Thank you for joining us for this contest. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Jupay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Betamalt, ALX, Kivu, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM and Gelmark Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from 7th to 23rd November 2024. Join us as we delve into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. So at the end of this contest, Nkwatia Presby Senior High School had 25 points. Mankranso Senior High School had 30 points. And Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School had 34 points. So Mankranso and Nkwatia Presby, I wish you the best in whatever you do from here. Congratulations, Aburi Presby Senior High Technical School. You have won the contest, and so you have saved your seat. Congratulations to you. And for winning the contest, you have qualified for the quarterfinal stage. I wish you the best as you go on, and pray you go further than this. If your score remains the highest, no, it won't be the highest for the day. Your score will not be the highest for the day, but had it been, you would have won the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. My name is Dr. Gladys Naode Shringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Bye for now.